This is the welcome screen that you're going to see when it's open. We can get started with this project by clicking Create a new Xcode project. We'll be doing a single view app. Let's name it Taskly. So these three are generally linked to your company or yourself. You always prepend the organization identifier with whatever you're trying to identify your app with com, and this generates a bundle identifier. This bundle identifier allows your app to be uniquely identified in the App Store. Click Swift as your language and deselect all three options for core data and unit and UI tests. Click Next. And now let's save this project in our projects directory under Taskly. Cool. Awesome. So whenever I get an iOS project up and running, I like to just run the application to make sure that everything is working. So you can select whatever simulator you want. I like to run it on the iPhone X and then click the Run button. I'd like to mention that throughout the course, I generally don't click this Run button. I use Command R, which is a shortcut to quickly run the application. Sweet, now that we know the app is good to go, let's get started.